Today we have the 2017 Vauxhall Astra GTC. This vehicle has done just over 25,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, aux, USB and radio. Just below we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.